member support for the panel's work over the past year. I so submit. Dr. Priscilla LEUNG will address the Council on the report of the Panel on Administration of Justice and Legal Services 2019-20. Honorable Priscilla LEUNG. President, in my capacity as a chairperson of the Panel on Administration of Justice and Legal Services, I hereby submit the work report over the past session to the Council. In the current legislative session, this panel had discussed a few issues related to the judiciary with the administration. In particular, most concerned will be the possible impact of the general adjournment of the court proceedings due to the COVID-19 outbreak. Some members took the view that it should appoint more deputy judges and expedite the implementation of the IT application in court to relieve the manpower shortage, as well as to allocate extra resources to the judiciary so the courts could operate around the clock to clear the enormous case backlog. Next, members offered their support for the construction of additional courtrooms and the associated facilities on the lower ground, fourth floor of the High Court building to meet its operational needs. On the other hand, members were concerned with the potential abuses on the complaint handling mechanism against judicial conduct. Some other members were concerned about the complaints arising from the political neutrality of the judges and judicial officers. The Judiciary Administration reply is not appropriate to comment on individual cases, but however, complaints that provide the required information, they will be duly processed and considered step by step. The panel will also discuss the policy initiatives of the Department of Justice, including Vision 2030 for the rule of law and the public consultation paper on applicability and the implementation of the United Nations Convention on Contract for the International Sales of Goods to Hong Kong, and a proposed framework on cross-border insolvency collaboration between Hong Kong and the mainland. Some members viewed that the promotion of the legal education to the public, especially the basic law education, as critical to the Vision 2030. On legal reform, the Legal Reform Commission released its report on the review on substantive sexual offenses last December, which set out the public feedback on the preliminary proposals outlined in the past 3 consultation papers, an analysis and a final recommendations. The final recommendations include instituting various offenses without consent and aligning the age of consent at 16 and institute a range of new offenses for children and gender neutral and for persons of mental capacitated, and reform a raft of miscellaneous offenses. Panel members expressed overall support for the report. In the course of deliberations, this panel invited the 2 legal professional bodies to take part at the meeting to express their views. President, the details of the panel's work is set out in the written report. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the members of this panel and the staff in providing their valuable views and support. I so submit.
謝偉俊議員就
Mr.